Cleaning your home can be a tedious and time-consuming task. But what if there was a solution that made cleaning effortless and efficient? Introducing the Shark Eye Ultra Robot Vacuum. The future of home cleaning. This vacuum is a state-of-the-art cleaning machine equipped with advanced artificial intelligence technology. This AI laser navigation precisely clean row by row. It can detect and avoid obstacles during day and night. The Ultra Clean mode allows you to deep clean a single room with precision by traffic zones and specific spots. Ultra Clean mode combines a powerful section. It's designed to automatically adjust to different floor surfaces, from hardwood to carpet, to provide optimal cleaning performance. This vacuum also features a bagless, self-emptying base with HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of dust and allergens up to 30 days. And everything is controlled by the app or your voice. You can control the vacuum from anywhere, at any time, from the palm of your hand. Thanks for watching.